Let's see what.
Your number.
I want my number for. Suppose your man see it in your phone. How you go?
I'm going to get nobody know there, so. I believe if your woman, wife pussy tight man, this and that, so.
It tighter than fear.
No. Why you can sample it?
I'm sample it. But suppose your man see my number in your phone.
He not going to say nothing. If me did they call you out, me going to lock up in the bathroom and answer.
You lock up in the bathroom?
Yes.
Alright.
Now if you know me and your business.
Alright.
So you see, woman, you have a yarn.
Yeah.
Make sure say she a matey and my wife.
No, she a wife.
No, me not do that. She a matey and me a wifey.
But if you have a wife, how would you there yard?
And you throw me out for taking me in the one.
Alright, no worries.
So me a come back.
I do the right thing. Big up monster dog, one monster dog.
Monster dog, my number.
Go on, man.
Go on.
Look how you piss up.
Take it.
Why you piss yourself? You're shame pot more. Yo.
Wait it.
Yo, look for the big man. Yo.
Wait.
Who you?
Me. What it?
What your name?
Me never told anything.
Piss up your name?
Yes.
How much you drink for a morning?
Yes.
How much you drink for a morning?
Love me.
How much rum you say you drink for a morning?
Yes.
Eh?
Put
Go
on.
make pot work out see you so.
Oh.
Piss up.
Yes. You for you. Come on.
The parliament big old stage everything. Are you coming out of town? I come in? Come insult the big man like this, eh?
What?
You see you?
Yes.
You see you?
The bomb card and we put you there.
Must be crazy now. Maybe I drink too much. But when I think of rum, I want to drink so much. I drink it night and day. Drink it and have no fear. But if only you will help me drink more rum. I wish I could go back to the very first day I drink rum. I should have drank so much because it tastes so nice. And by now I know I can't stop drink rum. I will drink it until the day that I die. Rum nice. I love rum. Please say you love rum too. Say you love rum too. This world, it will change our life forever. And I promise that we will always drink together till the end of time.
You shall waste a life.
Blood clot fly by the pitch by night, yeah. I call people all dog.
Let me rate you. But you see you underrate your blood.
They can't underrate me.
Here old pussy girl.
Sure. Yeah,
They put the big like a black to my wow. I put the big like a road back on Yamuno. They can't take a back to trap, put it on combo and
Ooh.
Talk again,
He's always alive.
thinking that. I would have talking. No, we are talking.
Brandy.
What you doing?
Come he's always alive. He don't get a youth.
See, as you do, I got Tombi in your home.
We hungry and yes, we take it and yet the wealthy straight down there with all the gold and the silver, but them dig out them blood clot. We want to go help Bertie in a fast go down there run out them bomber clot quick and tell them to move up, you know. Move up in and Jamaican hit when now if it strike the blood clot and make there and hot. You know see it. So all who they go down all the rappers of Rasta tell Rasta go go build up Albion and build blood clot Africa and go build all our wealth there. All the world riches where then how much gold, how much silver, how much oil, how much bomber clot that I say we Jamaican you know, cause you know. The Jamaican people them don't know who them is now there no. Them are one of the people them who don't know themselves because they don't go back to go check themselves. But let me tell them who them is. Them are the royalty of blood clot Africa backbone. We Babylon steal. And when they take them out of Africa, you know, But we put them in, we now put them on the mainland, then we escape them, find Jamaica, little blood clot prison, 1 much mile run long. Let them go in so, how far Nanny could have run go. Nobody cheat the Nanny about Nanny and blood clot theater. They run till them now, nowhere for blood clot go. Because the place small, they run. When they run, it take about 200 days to run through the thick area and with no bush stand. Because when Pierre Maca, when take...
One way I go. You better let me, man. You better let him up in him. One way I go. One way I go. You're sharing. Oh, you're sharing, man. Oh, you're sharing. No, you won't let him up in me, auntie. You're not sharing. Make a $500. Oi. Make a $500. Make a $500. You know who you want to put that? Make a who you want. Make a $500. You know who you want. Look, you can't put me money back to me now. Where I go? You know who you want. So you not give me 5 bills out of it? Me say care about my money, go give me man. I'm my man. You lucky me not get any over. You lucky. You lucky. Give me that one day. Give me that one day I get checked. Of course. Give me that one day. We are going to share him. Hello, we are going to share him. Me get checked. We are going to share him. We not share me what I'm going to take your 5 bills all the time. No. You can't go hold of money.
Yeah, take care of me.
How much money?
Your sister not say, I know some man a fucking gold
Yeah,
guy.
no. You don't want to go. You don't want to go.
You took away that behind. How can I answer this?
Man a fucking gold guy.
You know that I should make it stuff. I will put it on the blood clot to the pan to I'm making it nothing. No, you can't get it because of that.
You say you can't get it, can't get
You
it.
don't get it together. I like to make some girl into a
And that's what I'm with you, you know. Yeah, that one for you know. But you will not say a blood clot. Drink like a piss by you.
One child blood clot.
Like a pistachio by you.
Come on, there.
Come on.
You what? I'm not talking to you. You dirty girl.
You dirty boy. You dirty boy.
Slam.
You dirty boy. You chore bitch.
Old kettle. Old don't die. Old value. Dead on it. Baby man won't let me tell you put it in like the wall. So there's the never see that.
Stop now, man. Let me stop myself in there to pussy, man.